welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley Bedeck. Today I've teamed up with Kisslove and they sent me over this gorgeous curly wig. So with a pre-styled hairline, we did go ahead and make it into our own, and that's the great thing about having all the baby hair that comes with this one. You can definitely do a more natural look. We did use an edge control for mine and I love it. And then for the ends, we did keep a big blown out look. It just matches the weather. Sundresses, cut off shorts, and like a big poofy look is my vibe. So if you want to see how I got this look and catch a vibe with me, let's get started.
Late night, city light, to the base of my heartbeat, we gon' be alright. I've been dreaming bigger than the room I'm in. They see the smile but don't know where I've been. Young heart, heavy thoughts in my chest. Still moving forward, never settling. They said slow down, I said watch me go. Every step I take, yeah, I'm finding my flow. Had doubts in my head at night, feeling low. But the vision too clear, I can't move too slow. Yeah, yeah. Hands in the air, feel the moment rise. We don't need much, just faith tonight. Every move sing to the flashing lights. If you feel this now, you're living life. We on the move, yeah, we don't stay still. For that beat, yeah, you know the drill. Heart so loud, can't ignore that feel. When the song come on, yeah, the whole room feels it. On the move, yeah, we don't stay still. From the pain to the shine, yeah, it all feel real. If you're dreaming like me, put your hands up high. Let it move your soul, let it take you sky high. I remember days when they slept on me. Now they vibing now when I step on beats. Same kids, same goals, new energy. Turning moments into memories. Friends around me, yeah, the circle tight. Laughing through the stress, we allowed tonight. No fake love, just real ones here. Every single move feel crystal clear. Let the rhythm talk, let your worries fade. This the type of night we don't wanna waste. Every heartbeat line with the bass. If you feeling this now, you're in the right place. We on the move, yeah, we don't stay still. Feel that beat, yeah, you know the drill. Heart so loud, can you know that feel? When the song come on, yeah, the whole room feels it. On the move, yeah, we don't stay still. From the pain to the shine, yeah, it all feel real. If you dreaming like me, put your hands up high. Let it move your soul, let it take you sky high. By far, I get back up stronger. Every step make the dream feel closer. No fear now, I'm moving smarter. It's my time, I'm going forward. We on the move, yeah, we don't stay still. Every single beat got my heart on tilt. From the dark to the glow, yeah, I built this feel. When the song come on, yeah, the whole room feels it. Hands up high, let the moment fly. Every single voice singing side by side. If you feel this now, yeah, you know it's real. We on the move, yeah, the whole world feels it. Late night, city lights. If you dreaming, you alive.
Yeah, Ashley Bedeck. Yeah, family love, we locked in. Yeah, yeah, let's ride. Family on my mind every sunrise. Do it for the ones with the bright eyes. Hold it down, never fall, keep the love tight. We gon' shine, yeah, we alright. Family on my mind through the long nights. Heart full, yeah, that's where my strength lies. Ain't nothing in the world like these good vibes. We gon' shine, yeah, we alright. Wake up, grind mode, mama gotta move. Kids in the backseat, dancing to the groove. Husband by my side, yeah, he never lose. We built this bond tight, something you cannot do. Big dreams, little feet running through the halls. Messy little rooms, but they're worth it all. Packed days, but I answer every call. Family over everything that's lost. Late nights, long rides, everybody fed. Blessings on blessings, I keep us ahead. Laughing in the kitchen till the tears get shed. Love so strong, it'll knock you dead.
Okay, love bugs, I think we are done with this look. For a quick little finishing touch, I did revisit this here, which is the Garnier Nutrice Anti-Frizz Serum, the Sleek and Shine line. And this, if you guys remember, was probably one of the few staples I had back then where I always used to use this. The Got to Be Glued spray, among many other things. And I haven't used it in a while. And I don't know why I took it out the rotation. Maybe it just had been in the rotation for so long. We were looking for something new. But nonetheless, this works like a dream. This is the hair literally done. Now you can go in dim, clump, define for a more like, again, defined look. But today I'm going for Mufasa. We got the animal print going on with the top, and I think that it's very serving for the heat and everything that's going on. Full day, I'm probably gonna put a big headband or earrings where I don't like necessarily take care of the edges. But why would I not take care of the edges? Look at how beautiful, gorgeous this hairline is. Now, don't be afraid of like the styled or like the edges on wigs like this. It can be a little bit intimidating straight out of the box, but as you guys can see, I didn't have to pluck or tweeze or be professional. I literally just took a little pair of like manicure scissors, or I don't know what you would call these, but like eyebrow scissors, and I just trimmed it shorter. And then I did send some of it back, but density wise it wasn't too thick, so I was able to do literally some of my favorite type of baby hair with it, where it's ununiform, where it's not like perfect swoop here, perfect swoop here, perfect swoop here. It kind of just goes in different directions, and to me that is the most natural effect. Now also, you guys have seen, if you've been watching me for a while, that I've been loving the Ruby Kisses line of the cream foundations to use as lace tint. Leave in the comments if you have something different that you like. I feel like every time I try something different, I come back to this, but I am you know, interested in trying new things or just curious in general. We are headed out for dance, and I'm pretty sure it's 3:09, so we're supposed to leave at 3 o'clock. I am a few minutes late, but fashionably late, if you will. Now this one did come from Kisslove, and I am also filming on other social media platforms, so follow me everywhere, Ashley Bedeck, the Ashley Bedeck on the Clock app, so that you can see that version of this video, and of course run it up, spam it, like it, and comment on it. Before we head out, this is the packaging the wig came in. Now I do love when our wigs come in like dust bags like this, because this acts as the perfect home for your wig. And as you guys can see, the wig is not even in here anymore, and it's literally stuffed to the brim. Something just dropped, and it was a baby hair brush that they provided. They also included the HD wig caps, which is always a need. We got a pair of lashes, and then we also got the tape. So we've got both kinds. And so we did the peel and stick today, and this is the blue one that goes right at the tip of like where the sideburn is on the lace. And then we also got the strips, which can go like in the center or just in more flat places. So they did give us options for that. As you guys may have seen in the video, I did remove the combs. The combs are removable. If you do remove them, be sure to put them like in your dust bag or somewhere safe, so that should you need them again, you can find them. Then we also got this set here, which I love a good set. So this is the bonnet, and then this is the robe. They can obviously be worn together. We did use the wig band in this one, so it all matches. So you could put this to protect your edges, the bonnet to protect the hair, the robe on, and you have a cute little set, right? Okay, love bugs, so this is the beautiful girl here. Let's jump into a clip so you can see how I styled this one. Super simple and easy. Okay, love bugs, it is hot. It is definitely heating up here in California. With all this big hair, it does remind me of like hot weather, spring and summertime, and I like to wear this type of look with like dresses and really soft, dainty pieces. But this is a quick way to take the hair off your back and off your shoulders and kind of lighten up the mood, give you a little bit of break from the hair being all over, and you still look cute, you still look elegant. You can wear your sporty pieces, your dainty pieces, your loungewear, and it all looks good. Even your updos, like your date nights and weddings and just nice formal events, you can rock a look like this. I cheated and I made it more sporty with some regular hair clips, but something nice and classy or bougie would definitely amp up the look. Now you see how I style mine in under 2 seconds. Let's get back to the rest of the video. Okay, so now that you've gotten the tea on this wig and you got like all the vibes, we're gonna head out to dance. I will have a direct link and all the details to this beautiful girl in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.